Hello students, welcome to All4's e-learning junior intermediate English class. Very much delighted to appear before you once again to continue the grammar topic which was started in the previous session, that is degrees of comparison. We discussed the first pattern. Okay, so in that we discussed some sentences also. Here some more sentences are given. Just have a glance. So how can you identify the sentence when it is given in the examination? Suppose you see here, this you carefully observe. The largest means it is given in superlative degree. Pattern 1 superlative degree. I told you in the previous class that superlative degree is identified with A3 and A3 is preceded with definite article the. That means the A3 means pattern 1, the largest. Here in the second sentence you carefully observe the wealthiest, and in the third sentence the most widely used, and in the fourth sentence the biggest, and in the last sentence the hottest. All these sentences belong to pattern 1. If you are able to transform first sentence, the remaining sentences will become very easy for you because they are all similar. Uttar Pradesh is the largest state in India. The A3. Comparative degree. A2 than any other singular noun or all other plural noun. We have already discussed that. That means the answer here is Uttar Pradesh is larger than any other state in India, or Uttar Pradesh is larger than all other states in India. Compared to any other state or compared to all other states, Uttar Pradesh is larger. Okay. And what is its comparative degree? No other state in India is as large as Uttar Pradesh. In between as and as there will be adjective in its first form, that is base form. Okay, so Uttar Pradesh is the largest state in India. Uttar Pradesh is larger than any other state in India. No other state in India is as large as Uttar Pradesh. In the same way, second sentence also. Bill Gates is the wealthiest man in the world. Bill Gates is wealthier than any other man in the world, or Bill Gates is wealthier than all other men in the world. Men, plural form. And no other man in the world is as wealthy as Bill Gates. And you take the third sentence, English is the most widely used language in the world. English is more widely used than any other language in the world. No other language in the world is as widely used as English. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Jupiter is bigger than any other planet. No other planet is as big as Jupiter. And the last one is Ramagundam is the hottest place in Telangana. Ramagundam is hotter than any other place in Telangana. No other place in Telangana is as hot as Ramagundam. So these are the sentences. You go on reading number of sentences with which you will get familiarity. Grammar means it needs practice. Then only you can get perfection. So this is pertaining to pattern 1, and we will continue with the second pattern, pattern 2 of degrees of comparison. So you will have to take the superlative degree first, SD, and let me write the sentence here. First of all, you will have to take the subject plus verb, maybe be form or even the main verb also sometimes. After the verb, in the first pattern we have taken the A3. Here we take one of the A3. Don't get any confusion. A3 means adjective with EST. Okay, and this is followed by plural noun. And then extension of the sentence. In the first pattern, the A3. And when you come to second pattern, one of the A3. One of the cleverest boys. One of the richest men. One of the strongest girls. One of the wisest students. The wisest student, only one. One of the wisest students means more than one. Then how can you write its comparative degree and positive degree? When you have perfect understanding, then you can express the sentences very clearly. When you speak in English, and for this the comparative degree is, you take the subject same and you take the verb again. Here definite article is eliminated and you will have to take A2. Then in the first pattern, after A2 we take any other singular noun or all other plural noun. Here we take many other or most other. You can take either any other you can take either many other or most other. Obviously we use plural noun here, please keep in mind. Just if you have perfection in writing these structures, you can easily transform the sentence into any degree that is asked in the examination. And the positive degree is here few other or very few other. You can take few other or very few other. You can even take very few also. Okay. You can even take very few also. After this, you will have to take plural noun. Whatever that comes here. Okay. And extension of the sentence, whatever that comes here at the end, you will have to take here plus verb plus as. A1 means positive degree, as plus subject. So this is the format. Just you have a glance with which you can be able to understand. You will have to concentrate on this. Mainly you have to concentrate on the middle part, that is one of the A3 here. One of the A3. When it is one of the A3, what comes in comparative degree? Many other or most other. And here in positive degree, few other or very few other comes. This light difference, if you are able to identify, transformation becomes very simple. Okay, let me write one of the sentences here. Number 1, India is one of the richest countries in the world. India is one of the richest countries in the world. So in correction of sentences also, questions may be given from degrees of comparison. This sentence may be given, India is one of the richest country. When it is given country, you will have to change it to countries. One of the richest countries. And agreement of the verb is connected to what? The subject. That's why is here. India is one of my friends. Are coming is wrong. One of my friends is coming is correct. Agreement of the verb. You will have to carefully observe. And here this is the sentence. How can you transform this particular sentence into comparative degree? Here you take the subject India. What is the verb? Helping verb is given here is. And here A2. What is A2 of richest? Richer. India is richer than many other countries in the world. Many other countries in the world. Extension of the sentence you can take. India is richer than many other countries in the world. Let me repeat once again. India is richer than many other countries in the world. Very few other countries, or few other countries, or very few countries in the world are as rich as India. Okay, and you can, let me give one more sentence here. Mumbai is one of the biggest cities Mumbai is one of the biggest cities in India. What is its comparative degree? Same as this one. Mumbai is one of the biggest cities in India. Mumbai is bigger than many other cities in India. Very few other cities in India are as big as Mumbai. And let me give one more example here. Ashoka was one of the greatest Indian kings. Ashoka was one of the greatest Indian kings. Carefully observe here. Ashoka was one of the greatest Indian kings. And here Ashoka was greater than many other Indian kings. Okay. And the positive degree is very few other Indian kings. Very few other Indian kings were. You should be very careful while writing the B form. Here the B form is was. Very few other Indian kings were as great as Ashoka. Instead of writing was, if is written, that will be a wrong sentence. And there is a possibility of losing mark in the exam. Therefore, the students should be very conscious while writing the answer in the examination. They should identify the B form and accordingly they should write the sentences. And for the sake of practice, you take one subject. Radha is one of the most beautiful girls in our class. Radha is more beautiful than many other girls in our class. Very few other girls in our class are as beautiful as Radha. Ramu is one of the cleverest boys. Ramu is cleverer than most other boys. Very few boys are as clever as Ramu. Okay. NTR was one of the greatest film stars. NTR was greater than many other film stars. Very few other film stars were as great as NTR. Telangana is one of the most developed states. Telangana is more developed than many other states. Very few other states are as developed as Telangana. Okay, so like this we can make out many number of sentences. Okay, dear students, just have a glance. Based on these structures, you can transform the sentences into corresponding degrees. Okay, just it needs a lot of practice. Functional grammar means practice. If you go on practice, you certainly get perfection. Okay, just have a glance for a while. And we can go for the other model also, that is model 3, that is pattern 3. This is pattern 2, and of course we now discuss pattern 3. Let me add one more here, pattern 3. Just if you observe the structures consciously, you can come to know the difference. Here you take the superlative degree, SD, subject is similar and you will have to take the verb, and here comes the difference. What is the difference you ought to follow, dear students? Here comes negative, that is not the A3. Not the A3, and after this you will have to take a singular noun. And extension of the sentence may be anything. Okay, this is superlative degree and it's a comparative degree. What is first pattern? In first pattern the A3. Second pattern one of the A3. Third pattern not the A3. This is the difference. You should be able to identify, dear students. And here comparative degree is you will have to take the subject first, then you will have to take the verb, and it is followed by A2. Sorry, it is followed by not A2, and A2 is followed by then what comes here? Some other. Pattern 1, any other singular noun, all other plural noun. Pattern 2, many other or most other. Pattern 3, some other. If you keep this in mind, transformation becomes very simple. After some other, you will have to take again plural noun. Okay, and it is followed by extension, whatever it may be. And its positive degree is you can take some other, or instead of some other you can take some also. This is followed by PN, that is plural noun. Again I mention here SN means a singular noun. Don't get any confusion with these abbreviations. Just for the sake of understanding, they are written in short form, and here PN means plural noun. Here plus extension of the sentence, whatever it may be. Here comes verb, and after verb at least as even as plus subject. So what is the difference here? You should be able to understand. Here not the A3. So when it is not the A3, in comparative degree what comes? Not than, some other comes, and here at least and as, even as. This is the difference you should be able to identify. Just have a glance with which you can be able to write an answer for the question given here on the board. Just let me write one sentence here. Varsha is not the tallest girl in the class. Varsha is not the tallest girl in the class. With the help of this one, not the A3. When it is not the A3, what is its a comparative degree? Not A2 then some other. Just this, if you are able to remember, it becomes very easy for you to transform. Okay, dear students. And here what is its answer? Varsha is not, definite article is eliminated, taller than some other girls in the class. And what is its a positive degree? You can take some other girls. Some other girls, or you take some girls also. Some other girls or some girls. Some other girls were in the class. Or at least as tall as Varsha. So like this, Varsha is not the tallest girl in the class. Varsha is not taller than some other girls in the class. Some girls in the class are at least as tall as Varsha. So Radha is not the smartest girl. Radha is not smarter than some other girls. Some girls are at least as smart as Radha. Okay, Hyderabad is not the biggest cities in India. Hyderabad is not bigger than some other cities in India. Some other cities in India are at least as big as Hyderabad. Soni is not the most beautiful girl in the class. Soni is not more beautiful than some other girls in the class. Some girls in the class are at least as beautiful as Soni. Or some girls in the class are at least as beautiful as Soni. Okay, America is not the richest country in the world. America is not richer than some other countries in the world are at least as rich as America. Okay, so the rose is not the most beautiful flower in the garden. The rose is not more beautiful than some other flowers in the garden. Some flowers in the garden are at least as beautiful as the rose. You can take any adjective. Okay, Srinu is not the shortest boy in the class. Srinu is not shorter than some other boys in the class. Some other boys in the class are at least as short as Srinu. Plenty of sentences you can read out. The difference between, or the difference if you are able to identify pattern 1, pattern 2 and pattern 3. You take pattern 1, suppose the A3, the cleverest. What is its corresponding comparative degree? A2 than any other. What is its positive degree? No other. In the same way, pattern 2, one of the A3, when it is one of the A3, A2 than many other or most other, and positive degree is few other or very few other. In the same way, here in pattern 3, not the A3, when it is not the A3, its comparative degree is not A2 than some other, and positive degree is some, at least we will have to take some or some other. If you know that skeleton structure, that middle part of the total structure, if you are able to keep in your brain, it becomes very simple for you to identify. Go on reading out the sentences. You take one sentence, for example. You take one sentence and read that particular sentence in 3 patterns. Suppose let me say, okay, India is the best country in the world. India is better than any other country in the world. No other country in the world is as good as India. This is pattern 1. The same example in pattern 2. India is one of the richest countries in the world. India is one of the best countries in the world. India is better than many other countries in the world. Very few other countries in the world are as good as India. And pattern 3, India is not, you take the adjective in a different manner. India is not the richest country in the world. India is not richer than some other countries in the world, and some other countries in the world are at least as rich as India. Like this, you can go on reading out number of sentences, and you have some examples and some exercises in the textbook also. If you go through them, you can get perfection. This is pertaining to pattern 3, and in the next session, dear students, I will give you one chart related to 4 patterns. You have one more pattern, and with some exercises, that pattern will be discussed in the next session. And if you listen very carefully, you can understand the concept of every topic very clearly. Okay, I hope that you have clearly understood what I have explained to you. Dear students, practice grammar incessantly, that means continuously, with which you can get perfection. As the time is permitted, I am forced to wind up this session, and in the next session we will discuss the remaining part. We will meet soon to discuss the next session, remaining part of the topic, degrees of comparison. Till then, good luck. Bye.